Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to kickstarting your fitness journey, understanding the fundamentals is crucial. Among the most debated exercises for beginners are sit-ups and crunches. Both promise to strengthen your core and contribute to overall fitness. But which one should you focus on? Sit-ups, the classic go-to exercise, target multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. They involve lifting your entire torso from a lying position, making them effective for building core strength and endurance. However, they can be challenging for beginners due to the strain they may put on the lower back if not performed correctly. On the other hand, crunches offer a more targeted approach by focusing primarily on the upper abdominals. They involve a smaller range of motion compared to sit-ups, which can be gentler on the lower back while still providing significant core activation. This makes crunches a great starting point for beginners looking to develop core stability without risking excessive strain. The choice between sit-ups and crunches ultimately depends on your fitness goals and current physical condition. Beginners may benefit from starting with crunches to build foundational strength and gradually progress to sit-ups as their core strength improves. Remember, proper form is key to maximizing the benefits and minimizing the risk of injury. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic, incorporating either of these exercises into a well-rounded fitness routine, along with cardiovascular activities and flexibility training, will help you achieve balanced fitness goals. Consistency and gradual progression are key to success, so start at your own pace and gradually increase intensity as your strength improves. Whichever exercise you choose, remember that consistency and proper form are key to achieving your fitness goals safely and effectively. Your journey towards a stronger, healthier you begins with a single step. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and enjoy the rewarding feeling of progress with every workout session. Remember, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.